So, what credit score do you really need to get a loan with Mariner Finance? If you've looked this up, you've probably seen a dozen different numbers. Some people say 600, some say 580, and others swear there's no minimum at all. It's enough to make your head spin. Well, let's cut through the noise. I'm going to tell you what the deal is, and more importantly, what it all means for your chances of getting approved. All right, let's tackle the biggest myth right away, that there's some magic credit score you have to hit. The truth is, Mariner Finance doesn't publicly list a minimum score. That's because they do what's called a holistic review, which is just a fancy way of saying they look at your whole financial story, not just one number. They'll look at your credit history, even if it's a little bruised, your income, and your overall ability to handle repayment. They're actually known for working with people who have fair or even poor credit, and they'll even consider applicants who filed for bankruptcy in the past. Because they look at the big picture, it's totally worth seeing where you stand. You can check what you might qualify for on Mariner's website with a soft credit check, which is great because it won't hurt your score. So, how can you stack the deck in your favor if your score is on the lower side? Mariner gives you a couple of really powerful options. First, you can apply with a co-signer who has a stronger credit or income profile, and it doesn't even have to be a family member. The other option is a secured loan. This is where you use collateral, like your car title, to back the loan. Doing this can seriously boost your approval odds and might even snag you a better interest rate. At the end of the day, your credit score is just one piece of the puzzle for Mariner Finance. Having a steady income and filling out the application completely are just as critical. So don't let all those conflicting numbers you see online discourage you from finding out where you are. Their pre-qualification uses a soft inquiry, so there's no harm to your credit score just to see what's possible. What has your experience been? Drop a comment below and let us know.